Hello everyone, peace be upon you all. Welcome to the 8th video where we learn Aristotelian metaphysics. In this section we learn about substances as hylomorphic compounds. The article says, the role of form in this hylomorphic context is the topic of Zeta 7 to 9. Although these chapters were almost certainly not originally included in Book Z, there is no reference to them, for example, in the summary of Z given in H1, which skips directly from Zeta 6 to Zeta 10. They provide a link between substance and form and thus fill what would otherwise be a gap in the argument. Some individual substances are seen as hylomorphic compounds. The role of matter and form in their generation must be accounted for. Whether we are thinking of natural objects, such as plants, animals, or artifacts, such as houses, the requirements for generation are the same. We do not produce the matter to suppose that we do leads to an infinite regress, nor do we produce the form. What could we make it out of? Rather, we put the form into the matter and produce the compound. Both the matter and the form must pre-exist, but the source of motion in both cases, what Aristotle calls the moving cause of the coming to be, is the form. In production, the result from craft or art, techne, the form is in the soul of the craftsman. For example, the craft of building is the form of the house, and the craft, i.e. the form, is in the understanding and hence in the soul of the builder. The builder has in mind the plan or design for a house and he knows how to build. He then enmatters that plan or design by putting it into the materials out of which he builds the house. In natural production, the form is found in the parent, where the begetter is of the same sort as the begotten, not that they are the same thing, certainly, nor one in number, but one in form. For example, in the case of natural things, for human begets human, but in either case the form pre-exists and is not produced. As for what is produced in such hylomorphic productions, it is correctly described by the name of its form, not by that of its matter. What is produced is a horse or a man, not bricks or flesh. Of course, what is made of gold may still be described by the name of in terms of its material components, but we should call it not gold but golden. For if gold is the matter out of which a statue is made, there was gold present at the start, and so it was not gold that came into being. It was a statue that came into being, and although the statue is golden, i.e. made of gold, it cannot be identified with the gold of which it was made. The essence of such a hylomorphic compound is evidently its form, not its matter. As Aristotle says, by form I mean the essence of each thing and the primary substance, and by the substance without matter I mean the essence. It is the form of a substance that makes it the kind of thing that it is, and hence it is form that satisfies the condition initially required for being the substance of something as the cause of its existence. The substance of a thing is its form. And with that, we reach the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.